Hello everyone, Asimom Sechuko Belago. Welcome to yet another awesome video. And today I have an amazing news for the TBC community in terms of helping them exchange their TBC to Ethereum using TST. And the good news is this, okay? Many of you guys are currently using the trade option to trade your your TBC to Ethereum using TST. What I mean by the trade option is that you buy TST from me, then you now place it on sale on the exchange, and when it gets bought, you now have you now have Ether. Okay, so well, with this new development right now, because we've met with a lot of people who are TBC members, most do not have the technical skill or the knowledge of how to navigate the internet. Most do not have cryptocurrency trading knowledge or basic understanding of cryptocurrency, so their mindset is always that of a Ponzi scheme. Okay, and it made me realize that for TBC members to be able to achieve the same goal, okay, without having to, go through the trading part, we have to create another option, and that option is called TSC staking. Now, TSC staking is available to non-TBC members or those who want to pay 100% cash, but TSC staking for TBC members is available for 50% cash, 50% TBC. Okay, so what does it entail? What it entails is that you invest in TSC staking using 50% cash, 50% TBC. Okay, we use it to buy TST from you, for you, okay, to stake in the pool from the market, and stake that TST into the market, into the pool, into the staking pool. Now, the staking pool is where other people's cryptocurrency TST is, and is being used for trading. Okay, now every month you receive an interest. Okay, you receive an interest. Right now it's at 5% per month. 5% per month, and every month you receive a 5% interest on your initial investment. Okay, now your interest is paid to you in Ethereum. All right, and a service fee, a conversion fee of 10% is taken. Now, every single month that interest is paid to you, a 10% commission on the amount you're paying is taken. Then, at the end of the contract duration, your TST will be returned to you in the form of Ethereum. Now, remember what you bought when you bought your TST taken, you bought with 50% cash, 50% TBC. But all this while, you will be getting paid in Ethereum. There's no TBC in the picture. There is no TST. TST is just when you convert the TST for you to Ethereum, then we'll send it to you. Okay, that's called TST. So that's the staking process that we have for TBC members. Okay, and right now people are signing up. We're updating our website with information on TSC staking so that you know what's going on with TSC staking. But right now people are signing up, and if you're a TBC member right now, or whether you're a BNC holder or whatever cryptocurrency you're holding right now, okay, that is not spendable or exchangeable, I am willing to take a chance on that cryptocurrency community by offering them the opportunity to buy buy TST for 50% cash or Bitcoin and 50% of their own cryptocurrency. Okay, so with this TSC staking, a lot is going to happen. Massive profit for those who participate. No drama of trading. Okay, but it's not that it's compulsory to do TSC staking. You can still wish to take decision upon yourself to trade. Okay, which is also good. So if you wish to trade, fine. You wish to trade, you go ahead and we'll trade. We'll guide you to set up. We'll guide you to place your sell order and teach you along the line. If you want to do staking, we'll guide you through staking. Okay, so now there are options. Option to participate in active trading and option not to participate. Okay, because we have a large percentage of people who are not internet savvy and cryptocurrency. They don't know anything about cryptocurrency trading, so they treat everything else just like a Ponzi scheme. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching, and most importantly, sign up. Okay, contact me. My contact information is in the description below, and contact me, and let's get started. Okay, invest in TST today with your 50% TBC, 50% cash or Bitcoin. Until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now.